Around the 13th of September, we were asked to evacuate. So we came in and started packing up some of our stuff and putting it in the attic. And then the flood waters came. I mean, they rose almost overnight. It's estimated out in the yard, 8 to 9 feet. Inside my home was 4 foot. Actually, I didn't come back. I let my daughter come in. They could not get to the house. As far as they could get was this field out here. The current was too strong. So it was about a week when I did come back. The furniture was turned upside down. Everything was out of place. It was just strung everywhere. Everything had been moved. I went to a friend's house and I stayed with them and just kind of got myself together. My home church, Poston Baptist Church, was a command center, and through them I became aware of it. It was easy. I mean, once the supplies were delivered, it was like they were here every day for maybe 3 to 4 weeks. I mean, it was amazing, sun up to sundown. They worked really hard, really hard. They did the walls. They had to put a roof on. Pretty much everything. It was amazing. It is a good program. There's a lot of people that would still be without homes without it.